Alright, so there's like half an hour left for this bus, and this is how much I've packed. And it's not even the full suitcase. I have so much more to pack. Okay, so here's the plan. We spent 1 week in Dubai with my family. Then I fly to Bombay again, spend like, I don't know, like another 2 or 3 weeks there. Then fly back here for the spring semester, which is usually colder, sadder, and a bit worse. Looks like we're ready to go. I just have this suitcase which I'm gonna check in anyway, and this backpack with like my laptop. It's really heavy. Just one final check before I leave this place to see if I've forgotten anything. Everything seems good. We seem good to go. See you next decade.
Nanda. Your name is not Nanda.
My name is Nandan. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so I'm at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport, and I'm spending 2 days traveling. So I decided to make today's video about around like 5 to 10 travel tips for international students. Alright, I promise there's a completely reasonable explanation for this, but this is so cool. I love it. Oh. Okay. Alright, so basically what happened was I have an 8-hour layover in Istanbul and I needed a place to sleep. Let me just give you a comprehensive tour. Here you have a mini fridge, but for some reason it's hot. Railings to hang stuff if you're into that. Water bottle, telephone, cute cubby space with like the writing stuff, a massive TV, switches that turn the lights on and off in an albeit very weird fashion. The bed goes all the way up, it's like a hospital bed, and this is kind of comfortable. We'll give it like a 7 on 10. You get a spacious mirror, towels, hand and body cleanser, cute cubby spaces for your glass, even more cute cubby space. That's a cool ass glowy painting, storage space in case you think you ran out of a bed, and a pretty spacious bathroom. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the coolest thing. Look at this. That's how it turns on. I really like this place. If you want to check it out, by the way, it's called Yotal Air. Obviously this isn't sponsored, go through that. If any of you are interested and you lay over at Istanbul and you fly Turkish and you deliberately choose an 8-hour layover for some reason, this is the place you need to be at. So travel tip number 1, and this is something I tried for the first time now, which is why I'm recommending it to you guys. Alright, so travel tip number 1 is if you have a long layover, which most international students usually do, I would suggest finding a place to take a shower at an airport. I always do that because I feel so much pressure now. Like, second travel tip, which I did not abide by this time because I forgot it. Always carry a travel charger. Carry a travel charger with you, especially so you connect it to one and then it has like 5 USB outputs, because most people charge stuff via USB. Tip number 2 is to always carry a travel charger with you because it can be insanely useful when you almost died. Alright, I actually need to pack and get this place together. So right, so I was about to wear my shoes, and then this came to mind. Do not wear dirty socks. Always wear a clean pair of socks, because the way that it feels in an aircraft when you take your shoes off, it's just, you know when you wear socks and then slide them into a shoe and then it's all like sticky and weird and sweaty, and no one wants that. So just get onto the plane, take your shoes off and just kick back and relax. Hopefully you have a new pair of socks on. Also, that's a pretty cool mirror. Lights off, lights on. This is so good. Also, one more thing, there's no bin in the room, or at least I didn't find one, and that's very concerning. Just thought I'd share it with you. Alright, just got out of the lovely hotel. I wish I could live there, genuinely. Okay, next order is food, and then afterwards I'll give you guys the next tip. Alright, so I realized I messed up and I didn't give you guys the simplest tip. So one thing as an international student you're supposed to do when you travel is obviously take your passport and I-20, because you can't enter the US without that again. So if you don't take your I-20 with you, then you're pretty much just screwed. Thank you. Alright, now the next step is to always keep yourself hydrated, which means not drinking alcohol, which is funny because I just had beer.